Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are some of the key components and features of SAC dashboards. As a financial analyst, I understand the critical importance of manufacturing activities in ensuring efficiency, meeting customer demands, and maintaining quality. To keep track of our performance, I've developed this manufacturing dashboard. This tool helps us monitor key metrics and make informed decisions to optimize our production processes. I have used the key performance indicators, KPIs, and examine charts that compare these metrics across different company codes. They significantly improve our performance by providing insights into effectively managing and optimizing capital spending. Planned quantity forecasts the number of units we expect to produce within a certain period. It's based on market demand, production schedules, and our capacity. On the other hand, confirmed quantity reflects the actual number of units we've committed to producing based on firm orders from customers. It indicates how effectively our sales and production teams are meeting market demands. For more details on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies. Let's explore other details on this dashboard, that is charts. I have diversely used charts with different combinations of measures and dimensions to get a visual representation of data in a comprehensive report, which not only highlights the data, but also helps me to keep a record in a confined manner, such as planned versus confirmed quantity per company code chart, compares our production targets with actual confirmed orders across different business units represented by company codes. Another chart displays confirmed quantity per order type, showing the comparative data on orders confirmed as a percentage with respect to different types of orders. As you hover over it, it highlights the quantity of confirmed orders by order type. We also have additional charts available with different dimensions and measures to meet specific customer needs. The next features on the dashboard include ranking and sorting. To check ranks, click on the chart, explore the More Actions option, and select Rank. Then, choose All Dimension from the drop-down to select ranks like Top 5, Bottom 5, or Top N, which integrates the data into the charts accordingly. For sorting, follow similar steps. Click on More Options, select Sort from the drop-down, choose the chart's name, and select Ascending or Descending. Data will be automatically integrated into the chart. Additionally, sample filters are available on this page to sort data and allow users to interactively analyze data by selecting specific criteria to focus on. In this scenario, as I select a specific filter from the Work Center dropdown, the respective data gets integrated into the charts and KPIs. SAC also allows us to use any dimensions or measures as a filter, enabling visualization of data relevant to multiple business scenarios. Another key aspect of manufacturing is the incubation and dispatch quantity. The dashboard for incubation and dispatch quantity provides a comprehensive overview of the key metrics related to the initial stages of product development and the subsequent distribution of finished goods. Both incubation and dispatch quantity metrics enable stakeholders to monitor progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to enhance operational efficiency and meet customer demand effectively. I have used various combinations of charts to get data insights of incubation and quantity dispatch against per work, per plant name, per order type, and by order type. The incubation and dispatch quantity by work chart displays the number of products in the incubation phase and those dispatched, categorized by different types of work or tasks. It helps in understanding which work streams are contributing most to the pipeline and distribution. The incubation and dispatch quantity per plant chart provides a breakdown of incubation and dispatch quantities across different manufacturing plants. It enables the comparison of productivity and output efficiency between plants. Now let's check another feature that SAC allows financial analysts to incorporate selected data in a single click throughout an entire page or story. As I click on the Work Center value, the Linked Analysis feature in SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, enables the user to select elements in one chart and see related updates across all linked charts. This dynamic interaction helps uncover trends, pinpoint issues, and make informed decisions by providing a comprehensive, real-time view of how different factors impact production and dispatch efficiency. Similarly, I have used sample filters as on the previous page. A summary table dashboard allows the user to display the data in a structured format, enabling users to sort, filter, and aggregate information for easy analysis. It is designed to provide a comprehensive and detailed view of both aspects in a single tabulated format. I have used sample filters as on the previous page. Think of a filter as a magnifying glass for your data. It allows you to zoom in on specific products or groups of products within reports, charts, and dashboards, uncovering valuable insights that might be hidden. As I click on the company code filter, a drop-down appears having various company code options now as per requirement. I can select one or multiple filters at the same time and data will be integrated into the table according to selection. It's not over yet. SAC also allows the export of data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show and extract table data into Excel, and finally, export the dashboard as a PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible as we can add additional fields as per the customer's requirement. For further information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact VASPP Technologies.